Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Monday, September 30th. So I had a pretty non-eventful day. I traded Apple for a opening range breakup, but was unsuccessful on my first attempt. I really liked Apple mainly because it gapped up and it seemed like it was trading independently from the SPY. I also, on the daily, noticed that it's been flagging here, as you can see, this flagging, and you notice the price action has just been trading in this beautiful wedge, just getting tighter and tighter. So, once it gapped up above it, I knew that this thing can potentially be super strong. So it's basically kind of my main play here. So in the first 5 minutes, this thing opened up fairly strong, gave us a nice little pullback, pretty decent volume, right? So beautiful ABCD pattern. It's just that my entry wasn't perfect. So I ended up getting stopped out. So as you can see, it formed this beautiful ABCD on the 1 and also the 5 minute here. C and then here's D, right? So you can see that it's so much cleaner on the 5, which I should have waited. I should have waited on my first entry. So as it pulled back, I took it long here with my stop break of VWAP. After it started losing, it looked fairly weak, so I just got all out. And then I noticed that it produced these good hammers here, bouncing off VWAP. So I took it long again. So I went in, and this should originally have been my first entry. So this I should have waited for my perfect entry at VWAP, which I normally do. I didn't do it this time. Um, so this one would have made a perfect entry. So I took it long here with the stop, basically break a VWAP. Once it started working in my favor, I started taking partials. Taking more partials once it broke this 222 area here, which was the high of the day. And I took more off once it got to 230. I really wanted it to get to 250. I felt like it could get there. Look, it's getting there now. Um, and the main reason why was if you look on this daily here, on the daily chart, you notice on these candles where it was basically having resistance, it's at 222.56 and 222.49, which is the highs here. So that's where I got that level. So I really wanted to get there. Unfortunately, I didn't. So yeah, that's one loser, one winner on that. And then I took another stab at this because I felt like this could get there. It's just that my timing was off. So, this thing has just been chopping around. So I took it long again with my stop of VWAP. Right when it was getting ready to break VWAP, I got all out. So that was a small loser on that one. But as you can see, taking a step back at this, look at the 5. This thing has just been choppy. It's just been chopping. Now it's taken off in the direction that I expected it to go, but it's just been chopping in here, and then eventually it's taken off now. So um, my analysis was right. It's just that my timing was off today. So yeah. Actually, I also took another trade on TVIX, which basically weren't really much. So I took a, a a little scalp here, basically break even, didn't really like the price action. And then I noticed that the SPY was starting to take a leg down on good volume. So on that pullback, I went long and I pretty much just scalped it here. So all in all, pretty non-eventful days, basically a break-even day for me. So I'm going to save my ammo and look forward to trading another day. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. And I will get to you as soon as I can. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Have a good one, everyone.